The first package is from Oh, wait, what? Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia. I'm a Buffalo-based content creator, and I love making videos about shopping, hauls, having your own business, life with celiac, all the things. And today I'm so excited for a little haul video. I just got in 3 different packages. 2 of the things I know what they are, and I'm so excited to open them. One of the things is like a surprise from the vendors that Matt and I used, Rust Belt Love. They're the people that we got all of our like wedding invitations, our save the dates, everything. I've gotten like custom made business cards from them. We get our greeting cards from them. We order from them because they're amazing. Matt has a cutie desk calendar that they made. We're big fans of Allison and Nick, who own Rust Belt Love, and we have a box from them and I don't know what it is. So figured I'd open that on camera too. So yeah, we've got a few unboxings to do, and I figured why not do them with you guys. So we've got 3 packages to open. I'm so excited. The first package to open is from Mate the Label. I'm so excited about this because I love Mate the Label. They make a ton of stuff. They make sweatpants and sweatshirts and crew necks, and they just make apparel. They make a ton of different kinds of apparel, and not that long ago they launched underwear, and I made an order. I have so many pairs, hold on. I made an order a while ago of a few pairs of the underwear because it's organic cotton underwear, which for my fellow ladies, it is so important to make the switch away from like synthetic blends of materials and make the switch to organic cotton for your underwear. It makes a huge difference from a health standpoint, and so I've been slowly but surely making that switch over away from the Lululemon underwear that I absolutely love, that are super comfy, and switching to Mate the Label because Mate the Label's organic cotton or organic tencel, T-E-N-C-E-L-L. I actually don't even know what that is, but what I know is that it's not harmful for me. And they have this one particular style that I will show you I'm obsessed with. It's like a boxer brief. It's so good. It is so freaking soft. So this is the Tencel, so T-E-N-C-E-L. So this is the Tencel Comfort High-Rise Cheeky Brief. Got it in the size small in the color sand. Also, Mate the Label, there's a little tag on here that says that not only are they certified B Corp, they are also climate neutral certified. So you can see that here, and these are the details of the specific product, the name, the style, the color, and the size. And this is what they look like. Let me throw the bag down. Oh, okay, wait, so actually, this is the high-rise cheeky brief. I got these, and I also got another style that I'll show you. So this is the high-rise brief. I wish you guys could feel just how soft this is. The quality is unbelievable. Like, it is just such good quality. That is why I've been making the switch to Mate the Label for underwear, is the quality of these are just next level. I ordered a number of pairs. I'm gonna put all the tags and all the garbage in here since I know that nothing is being like returned or exchanged in any way. I actually don't even think that you can return. I'm pretty sure that like the underwear is a final sale purchase, I think. I don't know. But I got this pair, and I got a number of, okay, perfect. So then this is the other one, the Tencel Comfort High Rise. Wait, is this the same? Hold on. Now I don't remember. Okay, no, this is the, okay, now I'm just so confused, you guys. Hold. Okay, So somehow I like got a bunch of style that I don't, this is supposed to be like a boxer brief style. And as you can see, they're not. It's not to say that I'm not gonna wear these. I'm still definitely gonna wear these and use them, but I thought that they were, I'm just so freaking confused, you guys. Because there aren't multiple options on the site for the tensile. Like, I don't fucking know, I really don't. But now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try these on and report back whether or not I am happy with the fail or whether I'm miserable about how I made a mistake. I thought these were basically gonna be like boxer briefs, and they're not, as you can see. Like, I thought they were like little mini shorts because that is what I got last time, and I ordered the same freaking name of the item. But now they're not little boxer briefs, and now they're like regular looking underwear. And I have a billion pairs because I was like, oh, I know I love this style and cut and everything. Let me order a billion. And so I ordered the wrong thing. So I'm gonna go try on a pair and see whether I'm deeply regretting my decision or whether I'm gonna be actually happy about it. And I'll report back. Here's an update. As you can see, I don't have pants on. I'm wearing the new underwear. Do I love them? No. Do I hate them? Also no. But is it what I thought I was buying? Also no. And that's why I'm upset. Because Mate the Label must have done some kind of switcherooski on their website because the style of underwear that I thought I was getting doesn't even exist anymore. I literally can't even find it on their website, which is annoying. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new pairs of underwear in a style that I didn't necessarily want. Thrilling. But here's the thing, it is really good materials, it is really soft, it is comfortable. It's just way cheekier than what I was hoping for. Like, I've got a lot more butt cheek hanging out than what feels comfortable and normal to me. Gouda, get out of here. And so yeah, that's that. So this was, I won't say a fail, but this was definitely not a successful haul because I just bought a whole bunch of one item that is not the item that I thought I was buying. And I wish that Mate the Label still made the item that I did think I was buying because I then would have gone on the website and ordered that item because it's so comfortable. And I literally only have one pair of that style and now they don't even make it anymore. So yeah, that's a big sad. That's a big sad for me. But we're gonna move on and try on the Crocs and hope that that's a little bit more successful than this. So fingers crossed on that. Okay. We're gonna pivot to the Crocs, and I am really, really hoping that this is not a fail. At least if this is a fail, I can return these, because I don't think you can return underwear. And I really don't want to go through the hassle of returning that underwear, but man, I am not super thrilled about how that all turned out. Okay. Here's the fun thing that we got from Crocs. I've been wanting a Croc-like shoe, and I've also been wanting like a good fuzzy shoe. And then I saw that, hold on, let me get like a little thumbnail here. I saw that Henry got his own collab, and I was like, my dog looks exactly like Henry. Like, truly. Like, this is basically Gouda. It's basically Gouda. And I was like, I literally need. So here they are. I got them in like the light brown. There are 2 colors as part of this drop between like the Crocs and Unwell collab. And this is like the teddy color, this is the lighter color, and then they made a dark color, like a really dark chocolate brown, which I think is really cute, but I just feel like these are a little bit more neutral and a little more universal, especially with like black sweatpants or whatever. I don't know, I just think these are gonna look cute with everything. They're so cute. Here are the bottoms. I'm honestly obsessed with how they look, like the profile of them. This is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted something that's like fun and chunky, but also like durable. I was looking at these. UGG has a similar kind of style of a shoe like this with like the back little strappy thing like that. But I was really nervous that the UGG ones wouldn't last well. Like I was nervous that they would wear down and not be as durable, especially in like a Buffalo fall going into Buffalo winter. Obviously I'm not going to wear these with a ton of snow on the ground, but a little bit could be fine. So let me try them on. Fingers crossed that they're not too big. I'm going to be so upset if they're too big. Very, very sad if they're too big. So let's see. I'm wearing a thick sock also, which is maybe a good idea, maybe a bad idea. I don't know. I really, really hope that I like these. Ooh! Oh, they're comfy. Are they too big though? I don't think so. Wait, no, these are cute. These are cute and comfy, and I don't think that they're too big. Wait, no, I actually really like these. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm really happy. The 7 would have been too small for sure. The 8 is where it's at, and I think I'd prefer them with a thinner sock. I'm gonna go try them on, I think with a thinner sock. But let me show you guys, now that I know that I like them. Okay, so you can see Unwell Crocs. We got our cute fuzzy Crocs. Oh my God, honestly, they're really cute. And I like love, I'm really into, I like how they look at the front. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try them on that way too. No, I love them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You guys, this is my first pair of Crocs, so this is like a big deal for me. And I'm so excited. And I love how soft and fuzzy and cozy they are. They're so cute. And look at the bottoms. I feel like these are great and durable. What do you think?
What are those?
These are my Crocs. My husband's laughing at me.
They're not Crocs.
Yes, they are. They're literally Crocs.
I mean, obviously they're Crocs.
They're not Crocs.
I was expecting a Croc.
They are a Croc.
A classic Croc.
They're a Croc.
A classic Croc.
He says a classic Croc.
Is what I was anticipating. Great.
You guys, they're really, really cozy. I think they're so cute and cool. And here's the best part. Here's where Matt's really gonna make fun of me. Because if I'm being honest, this purchase makes me seem like a bigger fan than I am. So I do need to explain. Because this is the Unwell / Crocs collab. And because I ordered little giblets, it really does, I think that's what they're called. It really does make me seem like a very big Unwell fan and like a big Alex Cooper fan. And I do just want to set the record straight. I'm not a fan, but I'm also not a fan. You know what I mean? I respect the hell out of Alex Cooper as a businesswoman. Do I think her and I would like be great friends in real life? No, I don't. But I also don't really feel that way about like a lot of people who I respect from a business standpoint, if that makes any sense. Like, do I appreciate Taylor Swift as a businesswoman and do I like her art? I do. Do I think her and I would be friends in real life? I don't. I don't. So, I don't want to get things confused here. And now everyone being like, oh, she's obsessed with Alex Cooper. I'm not. But am I obsessed with her dog? I am. He's basically my dog, but a bit bigger. Look at how cute that is. Did I buy this thing also mostly for this giblet? I did, because that is the cutest thing. It's basically Gouda, you guys. It's just so cute to me. And I do think they're really, really cute. I also like this guy a lot. Like, I think that's adorable. So yeah, I'm excited to like put my little things into my Crocs. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that these fit. I'm so happy that I don't hate them because that would have really ruined my day. We've had a big case of the Mondays over here, underwear order especially included. So the fact that this was not a fail makes me very, very happy. Let me do a quick little thumbnail. Yay, okay. I love the Crocs. That's so fun. I'm gonna cut the tags off of them and literally start wearing them today. I'm gonna go take my dog for a walk just so that I can like do a little test drive. Do a little test drive of my new Crocs. They're so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, last but not least is this mystery package. I feel like I remember Allison telling me that she was gonna send me something, but I also feel like I don't remember what that was. So I have no idea what this is. Yeah, like I feel like I remember Allison messaging me. Okay, this is so nice of them. Oh. I now remember exactly what the message was. So my friends Allison and Nick, who own Rust Felt Love, who did mine and Matt's invitations, and they also made my invitations when I was like previously engaged, like a literal lifetime ago. They also made those invitations. I've just loved Allison and Nick for so many years and have loved their work, and watching their business grow is like a gift. It's a gift to call them friends. They are just amazing. They're such kind-hearted, talented people, and I just love them, and I love their kids so much. I love both of their kids as well, just so much. And Allison and Nick were invited to our anniversary party, and they weren't able to come, and they sent us a little card as a congratulations card. We're so happy for you both and love you and your love. Wishing you a lifetime of happiness together. Love, Allison and Nick and Sam and Charlie and Motor too. Oh, so. This is one of their cards. Hold on, let me let it, so you guys can really see. Let me actually get closer too, because this is like literally, this is all textured, so you can like really see the artistry. I'm obsessed with these flowers. I mean, Allison can draw so many different flowers, but this is like one of my favorites that she draws. Oh, it's just gorgeous, gorgeous. And the congrats, it's also like letterpressed. And yeah, oh, it's just so nice. Literally, their cards are so nice. The paper quality, the thickness, it's just so good. And they sent us extra thank you notes. So this is what Matt and I have been using as a thank you note. And Allison was like, what can I send to you guys? We're gonna just like send you a little thing. And I was like, you know what? I can never have too many of these because I use these as thank you notes, use them as cards. So it is just a perfectly little simple, love this sage green. Matt and I incorporated a lot of sage green into like a lot of what we did for our wedding and our party. And then just this cutie little buffalo in the corner. It's a nice, I love this card because I just think it's like a nice simple ode to buffalo. Because I've sent these now to so many people over the years, I feel like people would see this envelope and know that it was from Matt and I, because also everything that Matt and I did in terms of like everything that we sent out as it related to our party, our wedding, our party, our save the dates, like all of those things, we used these green envelopes. And so even someone just getting this in the mail, I feel like if they know us, they would like think of us. So they sent us a whole box full of more thank you notes, which is so nice of them, so generous. I'm so grateful. And yeah, that was my fun little random unboxing. A bunch of underwear that we feel mediocre about. We got some amazing thank you notes that we're obsessed with, and we got some Crocs that we're obsessed with. And I've been wanting a new, like I've just been wanting what I've been calling like a dog walking shoe. I've been talking to Matt about how I need a good shoe to like quickly slip on and walk the dog. And I've been talking about this for like literally a year. And so I'm so excited. I know it's gonna sound so silly, but you guys, when I tell you, I am so excited to go walk my dog right now. I've never been more excited to go walk the dog, literally. So yeah, I'm gonna go walk the dog. I'm gonna go just like relax. I'm gonna cut the tags off the Crocs. I'm gonna stick my little fun things into them. And yeah, I will see you guys. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one.